Right now, our immigration sentiment score sits at -0.18, which is notably lower than the historical average. This sentiment dip could indicate rising public concern or backlash around immigration policies, and with momentum holding steady at 0, we're not seeing any signs of recovery just yet. Our API returns nuanced insights, including sentiment scores, momentum, and semantic clusters, allowing you to dive deep into the public sentiment landscape. Imagine you're developing an application that tracks social sentiment around immigration reform. This data could help you tailor your messaging or inform users about shifts in public opinion, making your tool more relevant in real time. For detailed implementation, check out our documentation at Pulsebit. LOJ Enterprise.com/docs